दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। आज का वीडियो एग्जिट एग्ज़ाम क्वेश्चन सिक्योरिटी का जो कोर्स होता है सिक्योरिटी एसडीएस डीएसडी वाला, उस पर सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं एग्जिट एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए जितने भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। आप ये सब क्वेश्चंस पढ़िए एंड देन यू कैन ईजिली पास। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। For exchange of security related information under SOLAS certified must be fitted on board gyro compass, radar, AIS and LRIT ECDIS. The right answer is AIS and LRIT. The ISPS code came into force on 1st July 2002, 1st July 2003, 1st July 2004, 1st July 2005. The right answer is 1st July 2004. To meet the requirements of ISPS security code, the most effective and practical methods used by port authorities for surveillance is dedicated task force, security cameras, thermal cameras, trained security staff. The right answer is security cameras. Ships are not normally attacked by pirates are container ships, general cargo ships, handy-sized bulkers and tankers, passenger ships. The right answer is passenger ships. IMO introduced ISPS code and made it mandatory to enhance security in July 2004, December 2002, July 1998 or after the 9/11 incident. So the right answer is July 2004. Maximum security related incidents occur in this region: Somalia, Nigeria, Gulf of Guinea, West Africa. The right answer is Gulf of Guinea. The IMB Piracy Reporting Center in Kuala Lumpur provides free security service reports to seafarers. These reports does not include contact point to report piracy reports, pirates command center details and identity, piracy map of the area, piracy prone area and warning. So the right answer is pirates कमांड सेंटर डिटेल्स एंड आइडेंटिटी। जो IMB पायरेसी रिपोर्ट है ये SATC में आती है और इसमें आपको सारा डिटेल्स मिलते हैं, बट हाँ उसके अंदर आपको पायरेट्स कहाँ रहते हैं ये सब नहीं मिलेगा। कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं, कितने लोग थे, ये सब सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिलेगी। Weapons normally come on board through smuggled on board by crew, carried by stowaways, through cargo containers along with ships too. The right answer is through cargo containers. A skiff commonly used by pirates is termed as a small boat with outboard motors for boarding merchant vessels, a standby boat used for rescue near mother vessel, a boat with sails and oars, a boat fitted with arms and ammunition. So the right answer is a small boat with outboard motor for boarding merchant vessels. The circumstances warranting a dose can mean a ship is operating at a higher security level than the port. The ship is at security level 1, ship is at security level 2, ship is operating at a lower security than the port. So the right answer is ship is operating at a higher security level than the port. Example of sensitive security information is ship characteristics, ship dimension, ship security assessment and plan, ship anti-piracy equipment. So the right answer is ship security assessment and plans. Security level 2 is declared by the port on a result of maintaining protective security measures, a piracy attack which occurred lately, heightened risk of a security incident and imminent security incident. The right answer is heightened risk of a security incident. Declaration of security DOS means an agreement reached between ship and company, ship and port facility and company, ship and chairman of the port. So the right answer is ship and port facility. Continuous synopsis record is a record maintained and updated throughout a ship's life, every voyage, every month, every year. So the right answer is throughout a ship's life. The main responsibility of the contracting government in relation to threat to ship is assigning security policy, setting security levels, debriefing security measures, outlining ship and port security system. So the right answer is debriefing security measures. An act which cannot be termed as a piracy attack is using of weapons against the shipboard personnel, legally boarding the ship at sea or port, impeding safe navigation of ship, attempted usage of violence on ship's personnel. So the right answer is impeding safe navigation of ship. The SSAS must be capable of being activated from main deck, engine room, navigation bridge, forecastle. The right answer is navigation bridge. एक नेविगेशन ब्रिज पे रहेगा, एक मास्टर के रूम में रहेगा, किसी केबल डक में रहेगा, बट एक जो है वो नेविगेशन ब्रिज पे रहता ही है। कभी आपको यूजुअली GMDSS पैनल के नीचे मिल जाता है वो, ठीक है। A ship maintaining a higher security level than the port shall, prior to entering port, inform PFSO and coordinate for appropriate action, divert to another port, carry out cargo operations outside port limits, adhere to security level of the port. So the right answer is adhere to security level of the port. The ISPS code lists responsibility of contracting government in relation to maritime safety, maritime security, safety at sea, anti-pollution measures. So the right answer is maritime security. The mandatory requirements to the ISPS code is contained in Conference Resolution Part A, Part B, Introduction. So the right answer is Part A. Patrolling territorial waters 24/7 to ensure security is to be carried out by coastal state authorities, coastal police, port activities, flag states. So the right answer is coastal state authorities. PSO role with regards to port facilities related to issuance of ISPS certificate, port facility security service, approving security plans, developing SSP. So the right answer is port facility security service. Contracting government administer maritime security through flag state, port state and coastal state, flag state, port state and IMO, coastal state port authorities and local police, port state, IMO and Coast Guard. The right answer is flag state, port state and coastal state. The SSO duties and responsibilities include comparison of SSP of other ship in the fleet, overviewing security assessment of the entire fleet, reviewing port facility plan, reporting all security incidents. So the right answer is reporting all security incidents. Whenever security level 2 or 3 is set by the administration, the ship shall alert all crew, inform the company, acknowledgement receipt of instruction on change of security level, alert the local. Yes, जब security level change होता है तो सबको inform किया जाता है. That is number C option, acknowledgement receipt of instruction on changes of security level. The reason for fitment of alarm system as a security equipment on board is its requirement of human intervention for activation. You need human intervention to activate it. High installation cost, lack of, ये सब कुछ कोई भी option नहीं है. Security equipment and system need to be calibrated and tested before use, kept under lock and key, tried out during each security drill, includes in PMS. The right answer is kept under lock and key. Ship security assessment is carried out by master, SSO, RSO or CSO. The right answer is RSO. Risk assessment is done by evaluating the type of risk, the reason for risk, the likelihood and the consequence of the risk. ये सबको पता है, ये वाला कंप्यूटर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग्स में भी ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. एग्जिस्टिंग सिक्योरिटी मेजर. तो राइट आंसर इज नंबर सी, द लाइकलीहुड एंड द कॉन्सिक्वेंस ऑफ द risk. So okay, so these all are the important questions for security related exam, exit exam. So आप इनको पढ़िए एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल पास. अगर आपने ये भी पढ़ लिया और थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर से और रेफरेंस ले लो. सो क्वेश्चंस आर इजी, प्रैक्टिकल, आप इजीली आप निकाल सकते हो एग्जाम्स को. ओके, सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. बाय बाय.